I am a modular in-lab intelligent electronic, but you can call me Millie. I understand we have a mystery on our hands. As you may have gathered, a robot has taken a bite of your long-anticipated jelly donut. We must gather clues to determine the identity of the sweet-toothed droid. There are many scientific tools available to us, as you will experience at the other lab stations. At this lab station, we will review those tools and use one of our most powerful investigative tools, that of observation. But first, let's set the scene of yesterday's donut debacle. The setting is the school commons on a Bring Your Robot to School Wednesday. You approach a table of your classmates and set down your lunch. It was at that point that you realized that you forgot to wash the clay from your hands after ceramics class. You asked your classmates to watch your lunch while you visit the restroom. Nicely done. Good hand washing is a life skill. Upon returning, you observed that your favorite part of lunch, your jelly donut, had a shockingly large bite taken. Which robot would have done this? One clue may be the note they left, but perhaps there are other clues to be found. We were born for this. Take a look around and gather some clues. What do you notice? Reach out and touch the items that you think could provide further information to help solve the mystery of who bit your jelly donut. Great catch, investigator. While you were washing your hands, a new track of footprints appeared near your chair. Say, we have a great tool called biometrics. If we can get a good measurement of the length and width of the footprints and the distance between them, also known as the stride length, then we can estimate the height of the robot who left them. It's not conclusive evidence, but it could possibly rule out some robots. No! Sorry, try again. Let's take a closer look at your jelly donut. It's filled with a red berry filling. Was it raspberry? Strawberry? Who knows? They taste so similar to me. But you do know that one robot has been programmed to short-circuit if they touch strawberries, and another to short-circuit if they touch raspberries. So let's use a technique called DNA barcoding to determine which berry makes up the filling. Then we can rule out the robot who would stay away from that berry. Exactly. You've noticed the clue that may have been left by the sweet-toothed droid itself. A smile drawn on your napkin in blue ink. There must be a way to figure out who drew this, or, more specifically, which robot drew it. Most of the robots have built-in ink to write with. Did you know we have a technique called colorimetry that can compare the color components of ink pens? Although they all look blue, different brands of blue ink may have different dye components. You must determine which of the robots has a pen that matches the one that drew the smiley face. Team investigators, pat yourselves on the back for having narrowed down the clues and tools that will help you solve this mystery. Let's take our last bit of time together to review the robots who could have done such a thing. Go ahead, select a robot to see their details. This station has unlocked the information sheet containing this same information. Make sure to use this information along with what you've collected at the other lab stations to solve this mystery. My confidence in your ability abounds.